Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity Azul TV. Today I'll be showing you a top platform you can go. Top platform you can go and start making money for yourself. Quickly go to your browser. I'll be making use of my own phone name's browser and search for a platform named Cash Magnet App. Cash Magnet App. Cash Magnet App. Okay, this is it. You can see Cash Magnet for Android APK download. What makes Cash Magnet unique and standing out of dozens of other apps? So, but we'll be going to the Cash Magnet app platform only. Alternate routes is what I'm showing you because this really works on what Google Android Play Store. So it's really meant for Android user only. Android user only. So go to the search for the platform, and through the platform I will be showing you the link. You can see get it on Google Play Store. Once you click on this get on Google Play Store, it's going to take you. It's going to start downloading the app on your phone for you. What you just need to install the app only. Then watch your paper account smiling. So I'll be showing you can see get money from your Android phone. You pay for every minute. That time when you do nothing, sign up to start working. And sign up. Click on sign up to sign up. Then you can see what you do not need to perform any task, watch ads or play games. Games will come an absolute autonomous and passive mode. So prepare to yen several times more, only 2 months just for to work. Just install this app and start pitching for 2 months with Magnet app, and you can buy another PC that works for you around the clock. This is a good quickly leverage the merit of this platform. How can you sign up? First of all, you need to install the app. Install the app before start earning money on your PayPal account. So how can you just input your email and password, click on sign up, input your email and password. Then if you're already aware about the platform before, what you just need to sign. They also have a referral program which you can join, but you need to sign up first before you join through their referral program. So I'll be signing up now with my mail and password. Then I'll be signing in. Sign in field. Let's sign up. Sign up to start working. Let's input our email back. Then password. Sign up. You can see before you can start working on this platform, you need to sign in to your email. So email again. Let's input our password again. Let's see. We need to confirm if it works. Or try to download the APK. Try to download the app. Let's see if they will log us in. Wow, that's how simple it is to just sign up on this platform. You can see today. Doing nothing. You just need to install the app. Just need to install. Once you install the app, then cite patience and watch your training. Wait for training, then you have what money to get for yourself, to buy another phone for yourself. Now let me show you the referral program, how it works. I'll be clicking on the referral program. This is my referral link. So once you refer people, you'll be given that bonuses. So that's just it. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop awesome video just like this. Thanks. So